Lesson number 5, analyzing your run chart. So back in lesson number 4, we learned how to construct a run chart, and the example we did looked at the process times for servicing residents' lunch in a long-term care home. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the run chart to detect what is known as a significant change. So when you have your run chart, and I'm just going to do a very crude run chart here. These are the data points. The first thing we need to do is calculate the median. And let's do a quick example of figuring out what the median is. So I'm going to have this pretend data here. 5, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, and 6. And we are going to order this data from smallest to largest. So that's 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. Now we need to find the midpoint of this data. So that is 4. And it's the midpoint because there are 3 above and 3 below. So our median is 4. Now suppose we have our run chart here with a whole bunch of baseline data. And generally the median is going to be down the middle of the data like that. So knowing what the median is very important because one of our rules for detecting a significant change depends on the median. But first, let's define what a significant change is. You may see on your run chart some data points that appear, to the naked eye at least, to be an improvement. But the thing is, you can't be certain that it is a statistically significant change in your data. Fortunately, there are 2 simple rules that indicate a significant change has taken place. So rule number 1. Rule number 1 states that 5 consecutive points increasing or decreasing indicates a change. So if we had this baseline data, and then all of a sudden we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points all increasing in a row, then that is considered a significant change. Or, if that didn't happen, we had 5 points going down like this, that would also be considered a significant change. Rule number 2 states that 6 consecutive points above or below the median are a significant change. So if you have your baseline data, looks like that, you've got your median, and then you have 6 points above. So it doesn't matter if they're continually increasing. The fact is they're all above the median, so that is a significant change. So that means there's been a shift in the mean, and it could also happen below. So that would also be a significant shift. So those are the 2 basic rules for detecting a significant change in your run chart. But you should note that just because your QI team has detected a significant change doesn't mean that you've reached the target yet. It just means that your system's performance has shifted by a significant amount.